How to search people on Instagram by phone number. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Head towards profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and choose Account Center. Scroll down. Select your information and permission option. Now choose Upload Contacts. Choose your Instagram account. Tap to open it and make sure to toggle the button on for Connect Contacts. Tap Allow to access your contacts on Instagram. This will sync your contacts on Instagram. Come back and come across your feed or profile on Instagram. Here you will see the option for Discover People. Tap See All. Once you land on the section, here are your top suggestions. You can easily scroll down and locate the person whom you want to search by phone number. If you find their profile, simply tap follow button to add them back on Instagram. Tap see all to see all the contact suggestions. So in this way you can successfully search people on Instagram by phone number. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.